I have a confession to make. At the very beginning in the introduction, I promised you no tools. However, one has kept coming to me within my dreams in the evening time, and so therefore I must do as I am bid. This is a simple exercise about self-love and true gratitude to yourself, and it involves one tool, a mirror. You may use a full-length mirror, a handheld mirror, even a small makeup mirror. However, I ask you honestly to do this from the bottom of your heart. I was first introduced to this within my Kundalini training many moons ago, and I resisted it fiercely, damning them, telling them that it was asinine and I shouldn't have to do this. What I was railing at were my own fears and my own lacks that they clearly saw. So go with me. Stand in front of your mirror, preferably naked. If the thought of being naked in front of your mirror really scares you, start with a bikini or even a simple handheld mirror. Look into your own eyes, your ancient eyes, for they are the mirror to your heart. And tell yourself, say this, I see you, you're beautiful, I love you. Talk to yourself about how proud you are of your accomplishments, that you are here on this course and that you are ready. Whatever gets connected with who you really are, a pure, graceful, courageous thing. For you are looking with your ancient eyes into the true heart of your nature. All of the elements are with you, breathing freely. The gifts of air, the first to meet us, the elements of fire, water, and our Mother Earth are supporting you in this journey. Please, even if it is absolutely terrifying, it is such a confidence booster, not only for going on with this course, but in your everyday life, for you will love and accept yourself. And you may find that your body just starts naturally healing and a lot of those emotional roadblocks that you had simply disappear. Now gazing gently at yourself through your ancient eyes, looking into your heart center, keep repeating it. I see you, you're beautiful, I love you. Watching gently. See if you can hear the music within your heart. It is gentle music, it is beautiful music. It is the softest voice whispering in your heart saying, now is the time to truly love yourself, to dive into the Fae. And if you catch this music and if you catch this whisper in your heart, follow me. For your heart, before your mind, realize that there is a journey to take. Pick up your mirror, grab your coat, walk with me. For we are going to find our true hearts. We are going to go into the heart of the Fae. Be gentle. See what you can see, hear what you can hear. Looking through your ancient eyes into your heart with love. My friends, this can be such, I can't emphasize enough how profound it is to be able to look into your own eyes with honesty and see the beauty within. Please now come forward and take an oath to this journey into fairy shamanism. Blessed be.